Have you got a room of doom? A hellhole of a cellar or basement, loft or attic, shed, garage or outhouse, a spare room, an understairs cupboard or an off-site storage unit that's rammed to the gunnels with so much tired, broken or obsolete stuff that you don't remember what's in there. You can't get in there to sort it out and you wouldn't know where to start if you did. Does the thought of the spiders in your shed or the mice in your garage make you shudder? I'm Rachel Papworth from Green and Tidy, and I'm the online professional organiser. In 2011, I decided it was time to stop feeling embarrassed about being an organising geek and start shouting about it. Bringing together my psychology degree, my years of training as a personal coach, and my experience of decluttering my own home from top to bottom and keeping it organised and clutter-free, I created Green and Tidy. Since then, I've liberated thousands of people from the shackles of clutter and chaos for peace of mind and productivity. As I always say, when your home works, your life works. By the end of this course, you'll have transformed your room of doom into an ace space. You'll have, wait for it, shed the clutter and realised your lofty ambitions. Maybe you'll convert your room of doom into a home studio, a gym or a den. Maybe you'll have your spare room back so the grandkids can come and stay. Maybe you'll still use your understairs cupboard for storage, but you'll be able to find whatever you're looking for. Or you'll actually be able to park your car in your garage. We'll cover where to start when you don't know where to start, what you'll need, my simple, foolproof 5-step decluttering process, how to dispose of your unwanted stuff, great ways to organise your new ace space, and how to make sure it never gets in a mess again. If you're scared to even go in your room of doom, if there's stuff in there you'd use, if only you could get to it, if you no longer know what's in there, if you can't access anything without causing an avalanche, if you've got to clear it out in time to move home, this course is for you. Don't leave clearing the attic until you're no longer agile enough to get up there. Don't wait to downsize until you're up against the clock. Don't waste that fabulous storage space. Enroll now and turn your room of doom into your ace space. Take a look at some of the preview lectures if you want to know more, or just go right ahead and hit that enroll button.